Alright, this is a Hindostan oilstone from Indiana. So the tidal layering. Excuse me, as well as all of the little gas pockets. This one is lapped and chamfered on both sides. This side had quite large chips, so I had to put some pretty big chamfers. Might need to be widened slightly on here, but it is flat. This is pretty fine for a Hindostan, and it's a pretty chunky piece as well. It's 7 and 19/32 of an inch long by 2 and 5/32 of an inch wide by 1 and 7/16 of an inch deep. These stones are sort of jacks of all trades, masters of none. Some of them can be pretty nice stones. And this is a nice one. And it was held to lap, so it's nice that someone else doesn't have to do it. Anyway, it's mostly oil stripped. I'll try to get more out of there. Big one, Hindostan.